can't.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Over here I have a special guest with us today. His name is Abdella. If you don't already know, he's been on a lot of videos with us so far. So today we're actually gonna do like a men's hair care video. This being my test subject for today.
Yeah, I hope
and
I don't regret it.
I'm crying. And today we're just gonna go through his hair care products, what he uses. And then I'm gonna go in and use my products for his hair, wash, condition. And then maybe we're gonna try and braid his hair. We'll see what that looks like. Okay. So yeah, stay tuned for more. So yeah, he's gonna go ahead and share with you guys like the products he uses for his hair, how he takes care of his hair, and I guess like describe your hair texture for them and all that. So yeah, go ahead.
Alright guys, so basically with my hair routine, I try to keep it very simple and very natural. So typically I start off, I just wash my hair with just normal soap and water. And then after that, I'm getting looks over there.
Soap and water? What do you mean by soap and water? What products do you use?
So basically I have a body wash that I use, and after I do... Oh, do you need like the name?
I mean, because some guys out here might be like, oh, I use the same thing for my hair.
You're right. So normally I just use like my, I think they call it Irish Spring body wash that they have. So I use that, and then after I do the body wash, I just sort of wash it out. Once I wash it out, I typically only add one product. And that one product is a curl defining mousse that I use. What brand? It's Suave. Yeah. It's Salon or Suave. I call it Suave.
Okay, but, so let me get this straight. You use your Irish Spring body wash for your hair.
Yeah.
And then you just use Suave curl defining gel.
Or Suave.
Defining gel, and that's it. Okay, so just talk to them about your hair texture and your hair needs. Like, what do you notice that your hair needs?
Okay, so with me, I notice that my scalp tends to be a little bit dry, especially in the mornings. So I try to sometimes
especially in the mornings? Like, is that like a thing, or?
Yeah, like throughout the day.
So evening is not dry?
It's not as dry.
Oh, okay.
But, so basically what I like to do sometimes, at least 3 or 4 times a week, I'll also like get some oil, like some like virgin olive oil, and put it in my hair, and then put on my do-rag, and then go to sleep. And in the morning wake up and wash it out. Okay. And that helps keep it moisturized. Okay. So my question for you is, so right now your hair, your scalp is dry. You use your body wash for your hair. Damn, all that don't sound so bad. No, I'm just narrating to just make sure that Okay, what else? What else do you want to add in there?
I mean, you might be ashy, but I don't know about all that. So you use your body wash for your hair, your scalp is dry. What is the overall, like, so your scalp is dry, but like what is the overall feel of your hair? Is it like naturally soft? Is it dry? Like, what is it?
I would say it's naturally like, I guess it tends to be more on the drier side, but if you add water to it, it also absorbs moisture very quickly. So once water touches it...
Would you say that like your hair absorbs moisture quickly, but then moisture also leaves quickly?
Yes.
Okay, so you might have high porosity hair, and that just really just means that as easy as your hair is able to retain moisture, you can also lose moisture quickly. So you probably have high porosity hair. Your hair does feel kind of dry, not too dry. Also talk about I guess like the texture of your hair, because your hair looks like it's curly.
Yeah,
so it might be on the type 3 hairs.
I don't know the types. And
probably like 3C.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks like it's like 3B, 3C. It's like it's curl, like you can see curls.
Yeah, I could see. It's probably a 3.
Yeah, type 3 hair. So yeah, it feels dry. So I guess like what I'm going to recommend for you is, because you have like dry scalp and your hair tends to be on the drier side, you need to use products that are moisturizing. So your Irish Spring body wash, I'm sorry to say, is not gonna cut it. I'm gonna need you to actually get like a moisturizing
but it says filled with moisturizing beads on it. Is that not?
That's not, no. Irish Spring, save that for your body, guys. Do not use that on your hair. There are actually like a lot of hair care products. No, we're gonna use that. There are actually like a lot of hair care products on the market, especially since you have natural hair. And because do you also live an active lifestyle? Like, are you always hitting the gym and all that? And actually, also, how often do you wash your hair? Is it daily, weekly?
That's the thing. I think I wash my hair too much, and that's probably explains why my scalp gets dry. Because I tend to wash it like every other day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So in that case, then yeah, you're definitely going to either need to wash your hair weekly, or if you're going to wash your hair every other day, you need to use products that are moisturizing for your hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the products we're gonna be using today. So as you guys already know, I've talked about this product a lot. This is the Carol's Daughter Rhassoul Clay Sulfate-Free Shampoo, and it's also for active lifestyle. So if you're somebody who works out a lot, this is the shampoo you want to use. And it's also very, very moisturizing. I use this shampoo myself. And then this is the same thing, Carol's Daughter Rhassoul Clay Hair Softening Mask. Can you guys see that? Yes, and then so yeah, this is also for the active lifestyle, active living hair care, and it's a softening hair mask, so it's gonna give you the moisture that you're looking for. So we're gonna go in with this product, and then I'm also going to go ahead and add a little bit of the so the Mielle Organics Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. We're gonna go ahead and use a little bit of that. It's infused with biotin and encourages hair growth, and then because it's rosemary mint, it's gonna give you kind of like that scalp stimulation that you're looking for.
I like that.
Oh wow. So yeah, as I'm adding water or spritzing water into his hair, guys, his hair's like super, super soft. And I'm gonna go in with the Carol's Daughter Rhassoul Clay Shampoo. You see that lather?
Yep.
Working that in there. Do I have to get your whole head? I guess I'll do your whole head. I don't want to mess up your little fade. And
when you shampoo, do you shampoo half your head?
Oh my god, you're so disrespectful. Listen, this is my first time doing a guy's hair, so I don't know. Maybe you only wash your top.
No.
In case you mess up your style or something, I don't know.
Black men wash everything.
Some of y'all don't wash your legs. Y'all heard about that? People out here not washing their legs. So what's up with that?
And I think it was back to back. First they didn't wash their chicken, then their legs.
What's their chicken? Oh my, wow, look at the definition out here, y'all. Look at the definition.
I'm telling you, my hair absorbs so quickly.
Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more, and then the Rosemary Mint Shampoo. How does it feel?
Feels good. It's like a scalp massage.
I'm getting our free scalp service out here.
I should also add, I didn't add any products to my hair before coming, so.
Okay, so this is like dry hair.
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
Curls, very, very defined, and that's just using shampoo, guys. Okay, guys, so his hair's like freshly washed, and I'm gonna go in and apply my DIY oil. It's almost gone. And putting that in through his hair.
And what is your DIY oil?
So this has extra virgin olive oil, sweet almond oil, tea tree, rosemary. So it's like really, really good for dry scalp. And it's also very moisturizing as well. And guys, like oils don't moisturize. So you said that you put in like coconut oil and stuff. It doesn't moisturize your hair. You gotta go in with the product and then the coconut oil.
So it's supposed to hold
like
the moisture.
A leave-in conditioner, yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the mask to his hair, the softening mask, and explain to them what you do when you wash your hair. So while I was rinsing out his hair, I was telling him to use warm water.
So basically, I was letting her know that when I do take my showers, it tends to be really hot showers, which isn't good for your scalp. You can explain why.
Yeah, it strips your hair a lot, and you don't want to like burn your hair as well. So make sure when you're using your warm showers, when you're washing your hair, you're using like warm water to wash your hair. And yeah, you don't want to be boiling your scalp out here. I'm gonna put a plastic bag on his head.
Wait, what?
What?
I wasn't told this on the phone.
I'm gonna put a plastic bag on his head so that his hair can like deep condition and steam. And we're gonna do that for like 10 minutes and then rinse it out. So making sure to get his edges and his fade.
Yes, ma'am.
So put in a plastic bag.
A whole ass Kroger bag. You don't have a shower cap?
No, I don't. I'm sorry. This is what I use for my hair. So yeah, so basically what deep conditioning does is that it uses your own body heat to kind of like, you can lift up your head. Yeah, it uses your own body heat to moisturize your hair and to let in heat so that the product can also absorb into your strands better. So that's the purpose of deep conditioning. It gives you that kind of intense moisture that you need.
What's the purpose of the plastic bag?
It traps in the heat.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, guys, we're gonna go in and do this for like 10 minutes. Set a timer. You can tell people what you've been up to.
Oh, well guys, I've just been in grad school. We just both finished our first year of grad school actually.
Yes, getting that degree in public health.
Yes, ma'am.
Group price just increased, ladies. So are you on the market?
I'm not on the market. No, I'm discontinued from the market.
Wait, you're not?
No.
Wait, really?
They discontinued me because there wasn't enough demand. So
there wasn't.
So they took me off the shelf.
There wasn't enough demand. Oh my god. You don't know that. You know, there's some ladies that watch this channel that
right.
I'm dying.
I'm sure they're all looking for a guy who's Irish Spring on his head, right?
Honestly, because now you take care of your hair, they might be more interested, like, oh my god, he knows what he's doing and all that. After he's done deep conditioning, we're going to use the TGIN Green Tea Super Moist Leave-In Deep Conditioner. And then we're also going to go in with the Curl Mix Pure Flaxseed Gel for that soft hold.
Hey guys, so I know there isn't a lot of videos targeted towards black men and how we take care of our hair. So if you use any products, just comment it down below and say what you use for your routine. So
it's 10 minutes are up. We're gonna go ahead and rinse the deep condition out of his hair. And y'all, this definition is crazy. Definition is crazy. Let them see. Okay. So I went in, rinsed his hair out. His hair is super soft. And I did a cold shot. So basically the warm water opens up his hair strands, his hair cuticles, and then the cold water, the cold shot closes it. So, and for the purpose of this video, we're towel drying, but typically you're supposed to like t-shirt dry your hair so that you don't strip out a lot of the moisture. Focus. Okay. And all these products smell delicious. I don't know if I can, yeah. I'm not gonna be able to braid it, it's not long enough.
Yeah.
So your homework is to grow it out.
I will do that.
And don't get dreads.
Actually, we should do a dreads video.
Oh god.
Guys, dread video coming soon.
No.
Give it 10,000 likes and I'm gonna grow dreads.
I disapprove. I'm gonna go in and use the Pure Flaxseed Gel for like a soft hold. And you typically like comb out your hair, or you finger detangle, or you just like
no, I don't.
Through?
I just run my fingers through it.
Okay.
Because like you said, like my hair naturally curls or coils when water touches it, so I just use that.
Then I'm gonna bring in my hair, a little bit of my hair oil as well, and add that to it.
I was joking about the Irish Spring. Just put it out there.
You don't want it to be too greasy. And then you go in to the scalp. And then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle your hair a little bit with a Denman brush, just to like define your curls a little bit more. So. I hope I'm combing it in the right direction.
Yeah, I comb it forward.
Okay. Okay, you can lift up your hair. Okay. Alrighty.
So I typically like usually have it more tangled than this though. Like I.
You said more tangled?
As in like I rough it up with my hands a bit more.
So your hair is detangled and now it's defined.
Perfect.
So basically all you have to do now is just air dry it.
So how would you describe the texture right now of the hair?
So his hair is definitely 3C because he still has, he has loose curls, but his curls hold more. So it's definitely 3C hair. You can actually see the curls and all that, so yeah. So yeah guys, his hair is detangled, soft, defined. So yeah, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me, especially the guys, like what products you're using for your hair. And I will post all the products that I use in the description box below. Thank you so much, Abdella, for being my test dummy.
Dummy? Oh, hold on.
My guinea pig.
No problem. Oink oink. I'm here. You know. Appreciate all the help. Honestly, with the hair. Looks good.
No problem. I did my best. This is the first time I've ever done a guy's hair before. So. Yeah, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you later.
See you next time, guys. You just lost 3